Hello everyone. This is the tibia, long bone of the leg, and the second longest bone in the body. Side determination can be done. As you can see, there is something tuberosity known as the tibial tuberosity is present on the tibia, which faces anteriorly, and the lower and has a elevation here. This elevation is said to be malleolus, medial malleolus, since it is present medial in the leg. Medial leg has a two bone, tibia, this one, and the fibula. So this lies medially. So this is the type of the this is the right leg bone. Okay. So yeah, it is a type of long bone. So it has a two end, one middle shaft. Upper end is the head, and the lower end is a malleolus, middle malleolus, and the shaft. Upper end is a two condyle, as you can see here. This two condyle present medially is known as a medial condyle, and this one is lateral condyle. In between the two condyle there is a intercondylar ridge, and there is a some tubercle. This one is the medial tubercle, lies medially, and this one is a lateral tubercle, and this part is known, elevation and depression in this region is said to be intercondylar eminence. So yeah, upper end हो गया. Okay, then middle shaft जिसके अंदर येलो बोन मैरो भी रहता है लॉन्ग बोन में, साइट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन एरिथ्रोपोइसिस. सो इट हैज़ अ थ्री बॉर्डर. द शार्पेस्ट, yes, no, this one which face anterior is anterior border, which I am tracing here. This is the anterior border. From the lateral condyle, the continuation of the line is the lateral border, this one, and it is subcutaneous also, which can be felt, no muscle attachment here. And then the line continuation from the medial condyle is the medial border. Anterior border, lateral border, and medial border. As per these borders, there are three surfaces also. Surface between the anterior and medial is medial surface. Surface between anterior and lateral is lateral surface. Lateral border is lateral surface, and the surface between the medial and lateral border is posterior surface. Posterior surface has an oblique line in the upper 1/3 region, is known as the soleal line, which has an attachment for soleal muscle. Soleal muscle also known as the peripheral heart. So yeah, shaft is over. Now the lower end has an elevation in this part known as the medial malleolus, is present in medially. Lower end has a phi surface. This is the anatomical position पे. Then this is anterior surface, posterior surface, medial surface, lateral surface, inferior surface. Medial malleolus has also phi surface, and medial surface, anterior surface, posterior surface, inferior surface, lateral surface. And this type of fossa present is attachment for the talus bone. So this is done. If you not understand something, so please comment me down. I can solve you there. Okay, thank you.